Customer came in with this 2013 Mercedes G63. So he doesn't want to get a new one. He wants to keep this one. Actually, these older bodies are pretty cool, I think. This car needs a lot of work. So he came in here stating the fact that this car's making a lot of noise and it's driving really bad. So as you guys can see already, you guys can see brand new brake rotors, brake pads on the car, front and rear are already done. We're doing a lot on this thing. So coolant reservoir tank is leaking, broken. Cap is also bad. We're doing front and rear rotors, brakes. Also, the shocks on this car are original. They've never been replaced. We're getting brand new shocks on this thing tomorrow, coming directly straight from Mercedes. A couple of more things on this car. We're doing a tune-up service. Also, this car's right rear door panel is not working. The lock fell inside the door panel, so we have to fix that as well. So we're doing a lot of work on this car to get it back to driving conditions for the customer. Customer wants this car to be somewhat brand new again. And actually, he's going to be very, very excited when he sees this thing driving like new again.
That box. So Clear My Valves has a tendency of throwing away boxes here, and we had to write on it.
Say don't throw
Actually, Moses wrote this. I didn't write this. It says attention glass, don't drop. If you don't understand, you're dumb. So
Why do you X that out?
do you take offense to that?
Well, he leaves it on the ground where it can get ran over.
Why would a car come here and run over it?
If he drives it, will.
Oh, actually, if Sarkis drives it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, he'll hit us and that.
Look at this. You have a good snack today.
I think it's like dog food and cat food mixed.
So that's your 3 p.m. Snack?
Yeah. It's messed up, man. I'm losing weight. I'm also losing my mind because I'm hungry. I'm starving. It sucks, man.
How many more days?
I think like 6 or 7 days.
Oh.
I can't wait until I could just put my face in like mashed potato, like a big, like just start eating everything, you know?
Yeah. So good.
There's no sugar. There's no salt. There's no flavor. It's
There's
just
no salt in bread.
it's not. I don't even know what this is. It's not even bread. There's black stuff in it.
It's called poppy seeds.
It looks like there's lice inside this bread. Yeah.
It's your lucky day. We're gonna rent out cars for free. Which one would you take?
I'd take Vic's fucking his
How do
Lambo.
you know?
Oh hell yeah! I was just putting gas and I'm like, I seen the RDB sign. I'm like,
Oh, you never been here?
no, I've never been here.
Oh wow.
Holland Duty. See?
Alright guys, we are over here at our wrap facility. We are showing you guys this Jeep. This is Moses' project. He got this car in for a full wrap. This car, obviously white. As you can see, some of the angles white. But now you see this very special wrap. This is something we've never done before. It's a textured material, almost like that Rhino coat that they do on cars, like the Rhino dipping. So makes it look really rugged. But this is just a wrap. It's pretty sick. We're doing the door jambs as well. So as you can see, can't really see white. We're gonna be doing all that stuff. And honestly, it looks like somebody did the coating on it, and it comes in the gray, the black, like an army green. So pretty cool for SUVs or whatever cars you want to get like textured appearance. You could do it, and honestly, it does not look like a wrap. This is ridiculous. It's like one piece, can't even tell. If you pan over here, you'll see one of the doors out with the panel out, and as you can see, it's all getting wrapped up. It literally does not look like a wrap. Pretty insane, honestly. Also, my M3's over there. My bumper's hanging on the floor for some reason.
It's like Sarkis's Beamer.
Yeah. Sarkis crashed his car.
Oh, but his is potato.
Those last 20 years looks the same.
Yeah, he hasn't aged one bit. That's crazy. John, interest? How do you not get old ever?
By eating a lot of food.
Every time you guys put loud music, he's gonna smoke 7 cigarettes in your head.
I don't say anything. I don't say anything.
Never.
Move. He's gonna throw it at you.
No, he wanna start smoking right now.
Look at. Okay, guys, 20 is not coming.
Okay.
I'm gonna smoke.
No, something louder. Look.
Suck my.
Look, see?
Looking for my cigarette.
He's easy. He smoked like 20 cigarettes.
I'll see you
20
guys. Bye bye.
cigarette, 10 out. You're fucking with the 10 out.
Bro, you're fighting with a 65-year-old man.
I'm asking you.
No, so I have to smoke.
You can smoke it outside. What's going on? Because no,
Understand something?
he doesn't smoke.
Cigar.
He smokes once in a while.
Oh my god.
There's your content, guys. Let's get the out of here. Come on, let's go. We're gonna take this BMW and park it next to your BMW.
No.
Two legend
The
cars.
same color?
Yeah.
Almost.
It is, it is.
Is it? This and then they're both legend cars.
There's a funny story about this BMW. Our buddy Mo was bidding on one on Bring a Trailer, and he didn't win it or something. So somebody on Instagram DM'd me saying, hey, I have this red one for sale, tell your buddy Mo. And I linked them and Mo bought the car. So it's he's gonna see it now on the channel too. But yeah, and now it has Alpino wheels on it already. I think the wheels got here before, the wheels did get here before the car. Actually, the wheels are half the price of the car, I think. So, you know, Mo, that's one of Mo's dreams cars from back in the day, Imola Red 7 Series. Imola Red is the same color as my M3, one of the best reds ever. And that's one of the coolest BMWs ever too. So I think what, Transporter movie, I think, didn't James Bond drive a 7 Series at one point too? I don't remember.
Silver. It was the 750M.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a cool car.
No, Tupac was the S Class.
Yeah, no, it was a BMW 7 Series.
Channel. You're not a full-time character on the channel.
It was.
Get out.
I'm not a character. I'm a human.
Promote his company.
I mean, you're the only one that has like a character name. None of us have character names.
It's because this fucking idiot put it.
Okay, Vic today on Instagram he posted his M3 and it said, "Hi baby, are you gonna fix the car? What would you post that?"
I'm not gonna answer that question anymore. We went from clickbaiting to like non-stop talking.
Hey, I
We need
know
to chill
people
out.
hate you for that shit. Like at least 4 comments I seen is like, oh, unsubscribing.
Okay, first of all,
oh, you
you're
guys.
the main culprit because you sprayed the car and you used real spray can.
The car's clear board, right?
Nice.
It's not clear broad,
Oh,
definitely
shit.
not clear broad, and the paint's not coming off with water. It's really spray can on a real Lamborghini, so it's not really.
You really
clickbait.
cleared the valve on this one.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is BMW 740 2000, one of the craziest car. This is a legend car. This is one of my favorite cars. This car is 4.4 liter V8 and they made another one 750, but this one is the kind of small engine 740. It's 282 horsepower. Back in the days, 282 horsepower, that was a lot. And this is back in 2000. I grew up driving this car. My friend had a 740, same car. So we used to go out, I used to just ask him for the car. My dream car, like when I grow up, I'm gonna buy one. My favorite one is the 750, but it's really hard to find 750. This car is the 740, but it's really awesome. The car has 91,000 miles. Crazy. Drives smooth. Oh my god. There was a movie, The Transporters. After that movie, I was in love with this car, trying to always get one of this car. This car is a red color, but my favorite color is black, so on this car, this is a legend car. Stereo on this, oh my god, used to be, back in the days, this used to be one of the best stereo. Inside is different, the smell, it reminds me of the old days. Vic, how you feel like I'm driving a really man's car?
What?
How you feel like I'm driving a real man's car and your M3 is sitting there and you're not driving it? It's a real man's car, you know that. Lambo it wasn't exist at this time. There was no Urus.
Can't use that excuse. Because that BMW is much nicer than yours.
I wish he got a 750 instead of 740. Oh my god, old memories. If I become one of the richest person or become a millionaire, I'm gonna get one 750. So Rachel, Lizzie, I'm gonna punch the car. I know you're gonna hate me after this video, but I love you. So tell me guys what you guys think about this car.
Don't drive fast. We're trying to get shot, you moron.
We have to test drive the car, make sure it's safe so we can give the car to Shalizi. I have to kind of punch the car. How you, bro, stop looking at the girls.
Can't film when you're driving fast, moron.
Bro, this is a Urus killer with a 282 horsepower. It will kill your Urus.
And he comes and he tells me to peel the bumper, so I start peeling the bumper. And then he comes back again, and then he's like, "Hey, hurry up and do it." And I was in a bad mood, so it was bad. And then I was like, "Don't talk to me like that, like or something, right?" And then it got to the part where he was like, "Let's go outside."